Hi viewers, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can add menus in your footer using Divi and Supreme module for Divi add-on plugin. You can see I have added my main menu in footer. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now, first of all, you have to add a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on add new. In search bar, search Supreme Module Lite. As you can see, the Supreme Module Lite Divi theme built by Supreme Modules. It has 100,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Now click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Now you have to go to post or page in which you want to add footer. I will click on pages. Now open page in which you want to add footer. I want to add in this layer 1 page, so I will click on edit with Divi. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Now click on this gray plus button. Now you can see the module appears. Scroll down. Here you can see the highlighted modules that comes with the plugin that we have added now. Scroll down. Here you can see Supreme menu. Select this one. Now here you can see your menus. You can add menu title. I will add view more. Now you can also add a background color like that, but I will not add any background color. Just go to design. From layout, you have a single option to show them vertically. From title, you can change the font, make it bold or regular, and change its color. I will make it black. Now collapse this section and go to menus. In menus, you can change this menu text color. I will make it white. You can change space between, but I will leave them at default. Now here is the list style type. You can make it circle, decimal or square, but I will leave it on disk. Now you can change its color. I will leave it on black. Here you can change the menu font color, font weight and size. I will increase the size to 16. You can change the letter spacing. I will make it 3. And you also can change the menu line height. Also you can add text shadow. I will add some animation there, so I will click on this fade animation. You can change its duration, delay and starting opacity. I will leave them at default. Just click on this tick button and then update the page. Now you have successfully updated the page. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down where you added your menu. As you can see, you have successfully added menus in your footer. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notifications about future update about Divi. Thanks for watching.